everybody, how are you all doing? You want to learn how to do the makeup look that was worn by Ariana Grande in her music video with Lady Gaga for the song Rain on Me. If you want to learn how I did this look, then please keep watching. I already got my base done, foundation, some bronzer. This is gonna be a tutorial mainly focusing on the eyes and the lips. I noticed that Ariana's eyebrows don't go down, like it goes up in the arch and then kind of stops like right here. I don't know why, but we're gonna try and recreate that as well. So it just goes up like that and then stops. Let's see. So looking at Ariana's photo, she has a lot of peachy tones on her eyes. So that's what we're gonna be doing as well. I'm gonna be using Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I'm choosing the, I think it's called Lumber. So I'm gonna be using that one. And then I'm just gonna extend that color right here because we are going to draw the white liner later on, and this is going to be like the backdrop for that white liner. So I'm gonna extend it right here like a wing. She has deep set eyes, but I don't, so I'm gonna have to cheat a little. I'm just using a bit of a darker color, a darker brown color. This one is Cayenne, and then I mix it with FUEGO, this one. I mix these two. Put it on the outer corner, just on my crease, this hollow area. Alright, so next one, I'm going to be picking up my contour stick. This is Fenty Match Sticks in Mocha. I'm just going to pick up some of the color and I'm going to accentuate the contour in this area right here. When the white liner is on, it's gonna all come together, but right now we just need to get this part darkened and then this area here just with the shape of the peach eyeshadow. So for the liner, I'm just gonna be using a liquid liner. This one is by Fashion 21 and it's a dip liner. It looks like that and it has a felt tip, which is easier to control. So I'm just gonna do a cat eye, and it's going to be a very strong, very high, very thick cat eye. Before I do the high wing, I'm just going to quickly put mascara on because if I wait, my lashes are going to go and clump up because of the liquid liner that I used. So now I'm just going to go and do the wing really high up. I'm just gonna be following this shape of my lower lash line, this line right here, and I'm just gonna go up like that. Alright, both eyes done. So I'm going to be doing the lower lashes now. I'm using a different liner. This one is from Bobbi Brown, and this is the Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. Alright, both eyes done. I'm looking a little Cleopatra-y right now. I'm getting the Egyptian vibe. Okay, so this is what you all came here for. We're going for the Ariana Grande white floating eyeliner that she did in the music video of Rain on Me. So I'm using now a white liner from Sephora. This is the Glide Liner and it's waterproof and it's a gel eyeliner. It looks like that. And I got this specifically for this tutorial. It's brand spanking new. See, never used it before. So yeah, wish me luck. I hope I'm able to pull this off. So we're gonna go straight here. I'm just gonna very lightly draw this because I just want to make sure that it's even and it is the right shape. And so later on I'm gonna make it thicker and I'm gonna make it really nice and crisp, but right now I'm just defining the shape. And then I'm just gonna let the white eyeliner set a little bit, and then I'm gonna put on a second layer of it to make it really pop and white and crisp. Oh wow. That's pretty cool. All right, I think we did it. I think so. I don't, I'm feeling a little ridiculous. Now we have this really strong eye look. I think we need to up our game with our brows. So I'm gonna go and darken my brows now, especially just this outer edge here. There you go, and then I'm just gonna put my false lashes and then I'll be right back. All right, lashes are on. Now I'm just gonna put some blush and some highlighter and then we'll move on to the lips. I guess this look is just over the top everywhere. Wow, my lips are so dry though. Let's try a different color now, a lipstick. But then now I need to put high shine gloss. Yeah, I think this one works. Yep. Yeah, I think that completes the look. Makeup wise, of course, I'm still gonna do my hair. All right, let me try and fix my hair and I'll be right back. And this is the final look. I had a great time doing this makeup look and doing this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos like this. And please comment below if you want me to do more of these celebrity-inspired looks. And yeah, I'll do my very best. But this is my very first one and I think it's pretty cool. I hope that you guys enjoyed that and hope you will watch more of my videos on my channel. Again, this is Jen. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again next time. Bye!